And welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Kani salad. It is a delicious Japanese style crab salad. For our ingredients, we have imitation crab sticks, an English cucumber, and a carrot. For our dressing, we have Japanese mayo, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and sriracha sauce. This is optional. It just adds a little bit of spice. You want to start with cutting up your cucumbers. So we're going to start cutting up our cucumber. As you can see how I cut up my cucumber to get the little slits, or you could get a little device to use. So now we're going to move on with cutting up our carrot, and we're just going to cut up our carrot the same way that we cut up our cucumber. This is a delicious and light salad. It's very delicious. And now we're going to move on with cutting up our crab stick. We're just going to cut up our crab stick the same way that we cut up our cucumber and carrot. It's a couple of ways you could use to cut up your crab stick, and that's by hand, or you could use a fork by running it along the length of the crab stick while holding onto one end. Okay, so next we're going to move on to making our dressing. So here I am going to measure out a half a cup of mayo, and this is the Japanese mayo. Next we're going to add our 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then next we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of sriracha. And we're just going to mix this in really well. You could add or you could take away. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I'm going to mix in my salt and pepper. You want to add your shredded crab stick and your carrots and your cucumber to a large bowl. You want to toss as much or as little dressing as you like. And now here I'm adding the dressing. I don't want to add too much because I don't want it too wet. It's up to you how you like yours, but this is how I like mine. And we're just going to mix it. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more. And that is perfect for me. I started using my hand because I want my dressing to cover every piece of my salad. This dressing is so delicious. So here it is. It's so yummy. And then I just put mine on top of some lettuce, and I ate my salad just like that. This lasted me a couple of days. This was a pretty big salad, but it is delicious. If you're looking for something light, no carbs. So we have made a Kani salad, and I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.